In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Sheet in N8n. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be guided every step of the way, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to integrate Google Sheets into your N8n workflows with ease. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. If you already have an account, go straight to the Sign In section and log in. If you're new to N8n, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard, where the magic begins. Next, look for the plus icon, which allows you to add a new workflow. You'll see an option to select an action in an app. This is where you'll want to search for Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets, and you'll be prompted to choose an action that you'd like to take. This could be anything from reading data from your Google Sheet to updating it. Select the action that suits your needs. After you've chosen your action, the next crucial step is to connect your Google Sheets account with N8n. To do this, you'll click on the button labeled Add Credential. This step is essential because adding your credentials allows N8n to access your Google Sheets and perform actions based on your selected workflow. Now, you'll need to enter the credentials required for connecting Google Sheets to N8n. Typically, this will involve entering your Google account details. It's essential to ensure that these details are accurate because N8n will attempt to validate your credentials to confirm everything is correct. This validation step is crucial as it ensures a smooth and secure connection between N8n and Google Sheets. Once you've entered and confirmed your credentials, don't forget to hit the Save button. Saving your credentials stores them securely within the N8n platform, making it easier for you to automate tasks involving Google Sheets without needing to re-enter your credentials every time. At this point, if everything has gone smoothly, N8n should have successfully validated your credentials. You are now ready to integrate Google Sheets into any of your N8n workflows. Whether you want to pull data from a spreadsheet, update records, or even create new entries, the integration is set up and ready to facilitate your automation needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google Sheets to N8n, opening up a whole new range of possibilities for automating your tasks. Feel free to experiment with different actions and workflows to find the perfect setup for your needs. Thank you for watching, and have fun exploring all that N8n has to offer with your new Google Sheets integration.